Now we'll look at this question. Let C be a circle of radius 5 meters having center at O. Let PQ be a chord of C that passes through points A and B, where point A is located 4 meters north of A and B is located 3 meters east of O. Then the length of PQ in meters is nearest to. So let's take a circle and the center of the circle is O. Here it is mentioned that B is 3 meter east of O. So we can say that, let us say that the here is point B, this is 3 meter, and A is 4 meters to the north from A. So A will be here 4 meters to the north, and it is mentioned that PQ is basically crossing from A and B. So we can say that P and Q will be like this. This point is P and this point is Q. We need to calculate the length of PQ. How we can calculate the length of PQ? The one we can say that PQ will be nothing but PA plus AB plus QB. In that case, we have to calculate PA, QB and AB. Now we can know that we can calculate AB easily because this is a right angle triangle. So AB will be nothing but the sum of 4 square under root of 4 square plus 3 square, which we can say 5. Suppose if we draw a perpendicular from point O to AB, and let us say if we give a name PQ, let us say this is R, can we calculate the value of OR? As we know, this is a right angle triangle, we can calculate the area. How we can calculate the area of triangle AOB? We can calculate in two ways. The one is half into OA, which is 4, into OB, which is 3, and the another way that again half into perpendicular, let's say the perpendicular OR, and the base is nothing but AB. So here we know that AB is 5. So we can say that OR will be 4 3s are 12 upon 5. Now as we know that OR, if we connect O to Q, what we know that OQ is basically a radius, and the length of the radius is mentioned, that is 5, right? So OQ becomes 5. Now we need to calculate QR. How we can calculate QR? We know that this again becomes a right angle triangle in which QR is, let us say, the base. So hypotenuse is OQ. So this is 5 square minus OR. OR is 12 by 5, or we can write it like 2.4 also, right? So 5 square minus 2.4 square. 5 square is nothing but 25, minus 2.4 is 5.76. If we subtract, we will get 19.24, or we can say that QR will be, let us say, less than or equal to 4.5. Definitely less than 4.5. How we can say less than 4.5? Right, because we know that 45 square is nothing but 2025, and this value 19.24 will be basically less than 20.25. So obviously the value of QR will be slightly less than 4.5, or we can say close to 4.5, right? So now we got QR. Now we need to calculate PR, and as we know that PR will be equals to QR. Why? Because again, if you take a line O to P, this is again a radius, and again the value of PR, or we can say that OP, will be same, because this is again the radius and OR is again the perpendicular, so we'll get the same length here also. So we can say that PQ is equal to 2 times of QR, and the value is close to 4.5, so we can say that PQ will be close to 2 times of 4.5, or 9 meters, right? So the answer close to 9 meter we can see in the option is 8.8. I hope this is clear to you. Keep in mind one thing, that 19.24 is a fraction value, we cannot calculate exact square root of 19.24. This is basically the lengthy, so that's why we keep close to 4.5 and we got the answer that will be slightly less than 9. So we have no confusion selecting 8.8 because we know that 6.6, 7.8 and 7.2 will not be the answers because these are not closest to 9 as compared to 8.8, right? So the answer will be 8.8 meter. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.